Welcome to Python How To series. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to download and install Python on Windows. First, open your browser. Then in the address bar, type python.org and press enter. This will take you to the Python official website. And here we want to download Python, right? So we need to click on downloads. And here you can see download Python install manager. In this tutorial, to download and install Python on Windows, we are using Python install manager. So we need to click on this. So now download begins. Once the download is finished, the next step is to install Python. To do this, click on open file. It can take some time and we'll minimize this. Okay, so now here you can see this window. Install Python install manager. Here you can see publisher, version and source. If you want any help, you can click on this, get help with this installer. And to go to Python website, you can click this and launch when ready. We need to click on this install Python. It will lead us to this terminal window. And here, welcome to Python Installation Manager Configuration Helper. Windows is not configured to allow paths longer than 260 characters. So update settings now. Here we want to update this setting. So I'll press Y. Here you can see Y and N, right? Y for yes, N for no. So here I'll press Y and enter. Okay, the setting has been successfully updated and will take effect after the next reboot. Done with the first step. Then the next step, the global shortcuts directory is not configured. Configuring this enables commands like Python 3.14.exe to run from your terminal, but it is not needed for the Python or py commands. Add commands directly to your path now. Yes. Okay, path has been updated. Next step, you do not have the latest Python runtime. Install CPython now. Yes, we want to install latest version of Python, so I'll give yes. Installation process begins. Okay, so we are done. Next here you can see view online help. If you want online help, you can press S. Otherwise you can press no. If you press S, that is Y, then it will lead us to Python help window. So let's enter Y and we'll see how it works. So here you can see Python help window. I'll close this now. I don't want this. Alright, we are done with the downloading and installation process. Now that installation is complete, the next step is to verify that Python is properly installed on our system. To do this, go to the Windows search bar and type Python. And you should see the Python app and ideally. Next, to check Python version installed on your system, open command prompt. And here we need to type Python -- version. Here you can see Python and its version. The number may vary because this is the version installed in our system now. So this is how we can download and install Python on Windows using Python install manager. Next, let's see how to run Python programs using command prompt. Python programs can run in two main modes. One is interactive mode, another one is script mode. In the interactive mode, we'll type the Python code line by line and it runs immediately. We'll write and run Python programs in the interactive mode to test small codes, to do quick calculations, and to debug small parts. And another one is script mode. Here we'll write the code in a file and run the whole program at once. In the script mode, we'll save that file. So whenever we want to reuse that code, we can open that file and reuse that code. And we'll use script mode when we want to write large programs, projects, or reusable code. So here we want to run the program using command prompt. For that, first let's open the command prompt. To run Python programs in interactive mode, first I'll type command Python and press enter. And here you can see this, right? Python 3.14.3. And here you can see this symbol. This symbol indicates that we are in the interactive mode. So now if I write print, we'll get hello. Like this. Okay, so this is the one of the way to run Python programs in command prompt. That is interactive mode. If I want to add two numbers, let me take a equal to 10 b equal to 5. Then here a plus b, 15. So this is about command prompt. Next, if I want to run Python programs using script mode, then what we need to do is, first we need to open a text editor. Here I am using Notepad, and here we need to write our code. For example, here I'll write a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and print result is a plus b. So this is our program now. Next, we need to save this program, okay? Save, and we need to save this file in some location. Here I'll save my file in the desktop, and here we need to give a name. So let's give first, and it is a Python file, so .py extension, and save as type all files. Save. Okay, now our file name is first.py. Next, close this file. Now here in the desktop you can see this file. First, I'll right click on this, go to properties, and here if I go to details, here we can see the file location, right? C, users, and in the desktop folder. Remember this location. Next, to run this file, first open the command prompt, and here in the command prompt we are in this folder now, and our file is stored in the desktop folder, right? For that we need to change the directory here. So I'll use cd command, cd desktop, and enter. Now we are in desktop and our file is stored in this folder. Now type command python and first.py. Press enter. We'll get result is 15. Now what if our file is stored in a different folder? For example, I'll create a new folder here and I'll save this file in this folder. Now here you can see our file location is here in the desktop in Amulya folder, right? So now if I want to run this file in the command prompt, first we need to change the directory desktop Amulya folder, right? So we can do this in the single step also. Now we are in this Amulya folder. Now we can run our program python first.py, and here you can see the output. Here to run the Python file, first we need to change the directory. We need to go to that directory where this file is saved, and then we can use Python command and file name and we can execute the program. If you think this is quite complicated, then we can use another method. Our file is stored here, and here you can see this is the path. So we need to add in the command prompt, you need to write the command python and you need to give the whole path, that is first.py, and here you can see the output. So this is how we can run Python programs using command prompt. Next, let's see how to run Python programs using Python IDLE. When we install Python in our system, Python IDLE comes with that. Here IDLE, click on this. Okay, here we can see Python shell, IDLE shell. So here you can see this symbol. So it indicates that we are in the interactive mode. Here if we write enter and we'll get the output. A equal to 10, A plus B, and we'll get the output. If I want to reassign value for B, I need to rewrite this. Okay, so this is about interactive mode. Now if I want to run Python programs in the script mode, then go to file and new file, and here you can write your program. Let's take A equal to 10, B equal to 5, print. I'm done. So let's save this file, and here we need to give a file name. File name is, I'll give addition and .py. Here because save as type is saved as Python file, no need to give .py extension. Save. Now here you can see this is the file name addition.py. To run this program, go to run here, run module, or you can press F5 in the keyboard, and here you can see result is 15. And if I close this now if I go to file and if I go to recent file, I'll get addition.py, or if I go to open, here you can see addition, our file. Open this. Here you can see our code. You can modify this. Now save and run. So we'll get the result. So when we write programs in the script mode, we can reuse the code whenever we want. Okay, so this is about how we can run Python programs using Python ideally. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.